Hey guys, I'm at Bra Genie today to tell you why you're wearing the wrong size bra, and I am guilty of this too. But Becca, she's gonna help me find the perfect bra today, and my challenge is to find the perfect t-shirt bra to go under a shirt like this. Alright guys, well this is unfortunately, I have to admit, the same bra that I've been wearing for the past 8 years. Clearly you can see it through the shirt, and we're gonna try and fix that today.
Right, so I took a couple measurements. What size you kind of used to wearing?
32B.
Okay, so you can tell that she is very narrow. I measured her in between a 28 and a 30. So I'm gonna put her in a 30C. That's what I got her as. That is actually the sister size, so it's a comparable cup to a 32B. So the cup is probably good in what she's wearing, but the band is too large, which is why she's getting the gapping away from her, and you can see the lines under her shirt. So we're gonna try something that's lightly padded in the 30C and see if that fits her better.
This is the bra that she just gave me. It is noticeably better. I mean, I don't even have to explain it to you guys. You can just see that she was right all along, and I should have gotten size probably 8 years ago. Okay, so now Becca's gonna give you all the tips and tricks that I had no idea until today.
So one of the main reasons why a bra doesn't fit correctly was because most women wear a band size too big. We see that very often, and 9 out of 10 women actually wear the wrong cup size in general, wrong bra size. So because we now have her in a band that fits correctly, you always want your band to be snug because you get 80 to 90% of your lift and your support from that back band. So if it's not snug, you're gonna have that back band ride up, you're gonna have the cups pull away, and a lot of times you'll spill out or fall out the bottom of the cup. You definitely don't want that. So the reason why this is so flat is because the band is now snug to her, so the cups are pulled against her chest, and we always want that band to start on the furthest hook out. So if you're getting fitted and someone is putting you in a bra that is on the tightest hook, that is definitely not the way to go, because the more you wear the bra, the more it stretches. You want to have the hooks to tighten them up to, so that way you get more wear out of your bra. Second tip would be make sure you're not tightening the straps too much. Her straps are almost loosened all the way, again, because the back band is what does most of the support for you. And then also, you have to take the time to just try different styles out. Everyone's shape is very different. We tried a couple different styles. We did a push-up, something without as much padding, but she actually ended up loving something with a little bit of padding, but with no wire, and it fits her really, really nicely.
I just really want to thank Becca and everybody at Bra Genie for helping me make this video and for helping you guys learn what every woman should know, but none of us do. So if you ever need help like I did, just stop by any Bra Genie. They're all trained to do this, and they have 3 locations. One is here in Metairie, one in Covington, and one in Baton Rouge. So I hope this video helped you as much as it helped me, and thanks for watching.